I was just in the restaurant. Now I'm walking back. We walked back to the urban farm. He's going to catch a tilapia fish. That's Tan again. He's going to catch. How are you, Tan?
Fine.
Hot, nah?
No.
He's going to catch a tilapia fish and he's going to cook it. So that's Tan. That is his. There you go. He's going to dig in here. It's going to splatter all over. How does he know? This is Tan's friend. His name is Tokyo. How does he know which fish to catch?
The tilapia.
Which one? Just anyone?
Yeah, just anyone. See the sign one. We see the sign.
Size?
Yeah, the sign.
How old?
We not call the how old, we call it 6 months.
6 months.
Oh, yeah.
8 months.
8 months.
8 months, yeah.
Okay, this is boy 8-month old. The next time you see him, he's going to be frying in the kitchen. So we're going back to the kitchen. You're going to fry for me, right?
Okay.
You're going to cook?
我煮的。
Okay.
OK， 现在拿去我的餐馆煮。
Okay, thank you.
OK，
We're back at the back of the restaurant. See, that's the farm there. That's the farm. This is the restaurant. Actually, he lives here. That's his home. There's an entrance there. He comes. That's his farm. And he's going to. He brought about 100 of these babies this morning, so he can cook them. So he's going to catch. Go ahead. They're much bigger. We caught one earlier, but it was not big enough for him to want to showcase the cooking.
Very good fish, very fish.
With this baby, boy, you don't like that, man. He's going to be fried in a few minutes. Okay. I'm going to follow him. There you go, flopping away. That's it. And this is how they kill it. One knock in the head, sorry people. One knock in the head. And the fish is dead. That's a helper trying to do that. I don't know what he's doing. So, Tokyo, every time somebody orders a fish, he comes behind, he grabs the fish, he hammers them, then he cooks them.
Yeah.
Every time.
Every time.
You sure? Good. Okay. He's scaling the fish. Every time. So doesn't he scale them and put them in the fridge and cook?
No, we do all fresh.
All fresh.
All fresh one. If you put the freezer, you put the freezer one, the customer, when customer eat, they will know the difference, the fresh.
There's another one or two fishes, or one fish there, flopping away in the corner. Did you see it? Right there. And this is the primitive killing. Boom, finished. Boom, finished. And he will be descaled as well. You still descaling them? How long does this take?
Mau berapa lama? Kalau potong satu ikan mau berapa jam? Berapa minit? Berapa lama? Berapa lama? 5 minit. Minit. Oh, one 5 minutes.
Okay. In Chinese, my friend here,
Jim.
this is Ang's,
Tokyo Ang.
Tokyo Ang's, that's Tan's cousin and friend.
Yeah.
So he's helping me with this part of the video. So it takes 5 minutes, so simple. That is the urban farm there. This fish, about 100, is brought every morning till they're cooked. We caught them just now, we hammered them, and then 5 minutes. He's gutting them right now. Can one day, how many fish? 50. One day. 50. 50. And you bring 100 today, tomorrow. 50 is done today. Tomorrow this will be finished.
这里的这只是可以供应我3天的这个
What did you say?
The fish can buy 3 days.
3 days. I'm trying to move around. He gutted it. He gutted it. See? That's the fish gut right there. Fresh. Fresh, fresh. Every day fresh. Yeah. Fresh.
自己新鲜还新鲜吃然后 fresh and fresh.
Fresh. This is the rest of his back kitchen. From the farm to the table. I don't know. It's about 5 minutes. We'll find out how long this wedding takes. He doesn't take off the head, right? The head doesn't pop off.
Buy or thin together.
Altogether. Other than scales and the inside gut, which then the fish is left in tow. It is very clean. Your kitchen, Tan, your kitchen is very clean.
，OK，像这样就是完成了的，我们已经完成，完成，这是一条，
Now you want to fry the fish.
I'm going to fry the fish.
Yeah.
You fry one.
这两隻我畢竟我排好了，我去公司我寄去排好咯。
Okay. So these two we keep for you. Alright? And then inside have one or you still have one. Now the one is has to cooking.
Okay, so let's go to the kitchen and watch him cook. We're going from outside. We're going into the kitchen. There's a ventilation that's going on. I'll come back after I kill the ventilation, which is making a lot of noise. Okay? Now he's preparing to kill the chicken. I mean chicken, I call it chicken fish. It's sliced into half. This is a tilapia. Part of the tail gone. I hope there's no electronic interference in this video because the last shot I did there was a lot of electronic interference. Okay.
We call this one is steam one.
This is a steel. You can't switch it off. How many minutes?
6 minutes.
6 minutes. 6 minutes. So we're gonna wait for 6 minutes. Movie magic, video magic, we'll come back in 6 minutes. This is some of the vegetables. It's already pre-cut. I don't know the name of them. That looks like lettuce. Sorry, I don't know the name of them. If any of you viewers know the name of them, let me know. These are some spices. Spices, gravy, and he's collecting. That's eggplant, long beans, tomato, onions, and that's the vegetable he's going to cook with this. Eggplant is well in there. I hope these sounds do not cause electronic interference. Can you take a picture for me?
Yeah. I can hold. Later I send for you.
Yeah. This. He's frying the eggplant in the long beans. Just for about a minute. Yeah. Sitting there turning. Garlic. What is that?
salt, 盐啊 salt， 盐、味精、盐、糖。
There comes the next
风车粉，啊，对。这样就完成了。Finish.
So the vegetable is fresh. He chopped it outside. He brought it in, cleaned it up. So the whole thing takes less than 10 minutes. Fresh. That's the vegetable dish, people. That's the vegetable. Right there. Now he's preparing to, I don't know, what he's doing.
现在是煮那个鱼啊，这个鱼啊，我们煮阿三，我们用阿三 sauce，
No spice.
A little bit spice and salt.
Okay.
用我们的阿三来煮这个非洲鱼，也是我们清淡的一道。
Does he make the assam or does he buy the assam? He buys it.
然后加一点咖仔水。 加一点酱油。
This is the tilapia that's going to go in. So the tilapia went in for 6 minutes. We started the video. He's already prepared the vegetable dish. He's already prepared it. The whole thing, including the preparation of the base of the fish, has taken less than 6 minutes. So the fish is coming out. His workers are bringing the fish.
Pour the water first, the steam water. Go first.
We're taking the steam water out of the fish. I'm trying to video this guy bringing it here. Picture.
Yeah, wait. What guy?
So that's the fish. It looks steamed. Very pretty.
Okay.
Very pretty. Less than 10. Oh, the fish is steamed. He's just gonna garnish them with the
Ambil satu kaki. Kaki. Apa? Kaki.
beautiful. So that is the tilapia. Assam, so Assam is kind of sourish. Assam is sour.
Assam is little bit spicy and little bit sour.
So it's spicy and sour. So this is tilapia, sour, spicy. This is, what is this vegetable?
This is basic cooking.
What
We
is
call
the
it
name of the vegetable? Name of the vegetable?
garlic fry veggie.
What is the veggie?
Veggie nine pie. English I don't know how to call.
Can you take a picture? So this is the base of it right now. And he puts them on that so to keep them hot. And this is served. How much is this dish?
这个在我的店卖是算1 kg，我们卖38块，这条差不多是
1 kilo here,
700 gram。
38 ringgit.
38. This prepared dish is 38.
这没有，这条差不多700 gram，我们差不多是卖
The then is
32 块。
kilo one. It's count kilo.
So how much is this dish?
Baru cakap
30
32
For $32,
ringgit. No order.
for 32 ringgit,
Yeah.
which is for $8, between $6 and $8 American. For £6, you get this beautiful, spicy, sour tilapia, fresh from the farm, ready to go to the table. Correct?
Yeah.
Fresh.
Fresh. Sure.
Yes.
对，新鲜，肯定新鲜。
How much is this?
这个在我们的卖差不多是8块左右。
8. So,
Maybe the two.
how many stalks?
有差不多4克左右。
4.
4 stalks of this vegetable. What is it? Bok choy?
奶白，
Nai pai.
9 baht.
This is nai pai. Google it, people. I don't know. Nai pai. 4 stalks of nai pai from his farming there, from his farm thing that's going on, to the table. 8 ringgit. 8 ringgit, right?
8 ringgit.
For 2 Aussie dollars, for less than £2, this is a beautiful, freshly cooked nai pai. Some sort of a Chinese dish. Is this spicy? Very, very.
No very spicy, just a little bit.
There's spices, but the heat is very little bit. The chili heat is very little bit. And this, no chili.
no chili。
No chili. Thank you so much.
Thank you。
Beautiful. Visit Malaysia 2020. Visit Cheng Sun restaurant. Visit my friend
OK。
Yit Ching. Yit Ching. He's the current owner. Visit him. Come and check out his restaurant. It's going on through the whole video. And thank you. And Tokyo Egg. Thank you. Mahalo. And that, people, is the tilapia.